p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following areas. In Colorado, this watch includes 11 counties in east central Colorado, Elbert, Lincoln, in northeast Colorado, Adams, Arapahoe, Denver, Logan, Morgan, Phillips, Sedgwick, Washington, Weld. This includes the cities of Akron, Aurora, Centennial, Denver, Denver International Airport, Elizabeth, Fort Morgan, Greeley, Holyoke, Junesburg, Kiowa, Lyman, Sterling, Thornton, Westminster, and Windsor. Primary threats include isolated damaging wind gusts to 60 miles an hour, possible isolated large hail events to 1 inch in diameter possible. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Severe thunderstorms can and occasionally do produce tornadoes. Here is the extended forecast for the Denver and Boulder area. Saturday, mostly sunny.
This is a test, only a test. KALC and KALC HD1 Denver Boulder.